Hello on this hot day! Today we'll unpack this Electrolux EACM-13 portable air conditioner and tell you our experience of using this AC for 2 years. You'll also learn if small portable air conditioners work efficiently and if you need it. We'll also reveal some life hacks to improve its efficiency. We'll also show you how to set it up and some of its limitations and advantages. But first, we live in Latvia, Europe, where there are 4 seasons. And thanks to global warming, we are also starting to get 1, 2, 3 weeks in the summer where it gets uncomfortably hot. The rest of the time in short 3 months summer it's around 25 degrees. About the Electrolux air conditioner itself, you can see the main features on the packaging, but they are usually the same for all devices of this type and price. Such air conditioner costs around $450. Let's pull out this AC. Note that such mobile air conditioner weighs around 30 kilograms and it's quite difficult to transport it to another home. Besides the air conditioner itself, in the package there is an extended exhaust hose, a manual, a remote control and 2 batteries for it, adapter for hot air exhaust, and adapter to connect the exhaust hose to the air conditioner itself. Here's the AC itself, the back of it. All in all, a pretty neat air conditioner. Although as neat as portable mobile air conditioner can be, it also has tires underneath. Here are the main parameters. Don't forget to remove the transportation tapes, they will no longer be needed. The direction of the cold air flow can be controlled with the following manual blinds. A filter is fitted for the air inlet and is washable. Let's turn it on and see how much electricity it uses. On standby it uses around 0.4 watts, nothing much. Now let's switch it on and put it on the max power. Here we see that it consumes about 1 kilowatt of electricity per hour. Now the part you are most looking forward to, or experience after 2 years of use. Let's start with the fact that it can blow very cold air and cool the room. It blows air that is around 6 to 10 degrees, very cold. But there's also a problem. A byproduct of this is 40-45 degree hot air coming out of the back exhaust. If you don't remove this air efficiently, the overall balance will be quite inefficient and room may even get warmer. We use shortcuts to remove the hot air. In one room it's ventilation hole to the outside. This is much better than an open window because it keeps the hot air from coming inside the room. In the other room, we use the cooker hood's vent pipe in the kitchen and connect it to the air conditioner exhaust hose. For maximum efficiency, we have insulated the air conditioner exhaust hose with foil, and now hose only reaches 30 degrees. We have also insulated the entire cooker hood hose because if you have 2-3 meter long hose in a room that is around 45 degrees, it will act as a radiator and heat up your room. All these small problems have to be solved if you want to get maximum efficiency from a portable air conditioner. Another important thing to know is that the portable air conditioner consumes more air than it cools. It blows some of the intake air out in the form of hot air, thus creating a small vacuum due to the decrease of air. Vacuum manifests itself as increased suction of hot outside air through vents and other holes in your room. So what is the final review? The mobile air conditioner definitely works and provides cool air. The main benefits of this AC are price, they're not expensive, they can be installed when needed and stored in a garage at other times, and they don't require expensive and tiresome installation maintenance. However, there are a bunch of disadvantages. They consume more electricity compared to split air conditioner systems. Those are systems where the compressor part is outside your property. These portable air conditioners are significantly louder and will mainly cool one room. Other rooms will get minimal cooling due to lack of air difference. If you are suffering for the heat for at least 3 weeks of the year, we would definitely recommend you to buy a split multi-split type air conditioner system. It gives significantly better efficiency and is more quiet. Of course, it's initially a more expensive system, requires a certified technician for installation, and is a fixed structure that cannot be put in garage for winter or transported to another house. The choice is simple. If you need air conditioning occasionally and in one room, then a portable air conditioner is not a bad choice. Otherwise, go for a split type air conditioner with outdoor and indoor units. This is our review after 2 years of use. As always, hit like and subscribe to support us and let's meet in the comments section where we welcome all your questions, experiences or critique about air conditioners. How hot is it at your place right now? Currently we are trying to survive in 34 degrees. But anyway, stay cool friends and see you later.